Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Apple Pay to OnlyFans. So, let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official OnlyFans website. Log in with your account details. Once you are inside your dashboard, click on your profile picture in the top left corner and select your cards from the drop-down menu. Click on Add a new card and fill in all the details that are linked to your Apple ID with an active Apple wallet. After you hit Submit, Apple Pay will be successfully added as a payment option to your OnlyFans account. And that's it. Now you know how to add Apple Pay to OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.